Hello everyone, in this video we will be demonstrating our group project on Bridge Health Monitoring System. It tells us the significance of measuring different readings as a health indication of the bridge. By all these readings we can able to predict the average load and different parameters related to the bridge. The block diagram is divided into different units, namely sensing unit, processing and transmission unit, and lastly server. In sensor unit, the four sensors are used which will measure the physical quantity. Here ESP-ROM32 is used to process the analog data from the sensor into digital data. The converted digital data is transmitted wirelessly on the web server. The server is used to collect the information from the sensing unit provided to the Wi-Fi module. This server provides a platform for the data sensed from the sensing unit, and it enables you to collect the store and visualize the data. Here now my teammate will talk about the further project.
I'm demonstrating the project Bridge Health Monitoring System. So let me give you a close view and let's understand the modules and the circuits we have, sensors we have used in this project. So here we have BROM32, ESP-BROM32 as a processor which have inbuilt Wi-Fi, so we can transmit this data on server, and through server we can observe the output on the mobile app. Here we have HX711, which is load cell. We can observe the load of bridge by using this sensor. Next one is ADXL335, which is accelerometer sensor, which is used to sense the vibrations and accelerations of bridge, tilting of the pillars. Next one is HCSR04, which is ultrasonic sensor used to detect the cracks on bridge. The next one is flex sensor, which is used to observe the flex of bridge, bends of bridge. So we can show you output on the mobile app. So let me connect the system to the PC. So here is the output window of our mobile application. The data is transmitted over the server to the mobile application. After every 25 seconds, the data is new data is updated. So we are applying the pressure on the bridge to calculate the total load on the bridge by using the load cell. Here we can see the total load of the bridge is 0.24 kg, and the total flex is 24 degrees of bridge. The ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the cracks on the bridge. The crack detected at the 4.22 centimeters, and the accelerometer is used to detect the tilting of the bridge and the vibrations. The total analysis is XYZ axis, and date and time is also modified in this application, so we can see the actual time at which time the data is updated on the server. So that's it.